In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall email in Gmail. If you've ever hit send and instantly wished you could pull that message back, this is exactly what you need. Gmail doesn't have a traditional recall button that yanks an email out of someone's inbox after it's delivered. Instead, it offers a built-in safety net called Undo Send, which briefly holds your message so you can take it back before it truly goes out. Here's how it works. The moment you click Send, look for a small notification that appears on screen. On a computer, it's usually in the bottom left, and on mobile, it shows up near the bottom of your screen. It will say, Message sent, and include an Undo button. If you click Undo while that option is visible, Gmail stops the send, reopens the email as a draft, and lets you edit, fix attachments, change recipients, or simply delete the message. If you miss that brief window and the Undo button disappears, the email has been released and Gmail can't retrieve it. To give yourself a bigger safety window, you can adjust how long Gmail waits before sending. In Gmail on a web browser, click the Settings gear, then choose See All Settings. Under the General tab, find Undo Send. Here you can set your send cancellation period to 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds. Pick a time that suits your comfort level, then scroll down and click Save Changes. From that point on, every time you send an email, Gmail will hold it for the duration you chose. If you hit Undo during that time, the email goes right back into the Compose window so you can revise or discard it. A few important limitations to keep in mind. Undo Send is a short delay, not a true recall. You can't retrieve messages hours later, and once the Undo option vanishes, Gmail has no way to delete the email from someone else's mailbox. Even if you set the delay to 30 seconds, delivery can happen quickly after the timer ends, so act fast and keep an eye on that notification every time you send. Here's a quick recap on a computer. Send your email, watch for the message sent notification in the bottom left, and click Undo before it disappears. That's all it takes to stop the send, fix any mistakes, or rethink your message with confidence. With Undo Send configured, you'll have a reliable built-in buffer that makes sending email in Gmail a lot less stressful.